Solve the standard form of the quadratic equation by completing the square. First, we're going to divide each term by a so that the coefficient of a is 1. X squared plus b over a is equal to negative c over a. The missing part is half of b over a squared. Half of b over a is b over 2a. b over 2a squared is b squared over 4a squared. So the missing part is b over 2a squared, which is b squared over 4a squared. The left side becomes x plus b over 2a squared, and the right part, the common denominator, the lowest common denominator is 4a squared. We're going to multiply c over a by 4a over 4a, and we get 4ac. X plus b over 2a, when we take the square root of both sides, is equal to plus or minus b squared minus 4ac divided by the square root of 4a squared is 2a. Now we simply have to add negative b over 2a to both sides and get the answer. So x is equal to negative b over 2a plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. The final answer is x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Solve 3x squared equal to 5x plus 2 by using the quadratic formula. We're going to transpose 5x plus 2 to the left side, minus 5x minus 2 minus 5x minus 2. We get 3x squared minus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. A is equal to 3. B is equal to negative 5. And C is equal to negative 2. X therefore is equal to minus negative 5 minus b plus or minus square root of b squared, square root of negative 5 squared minus 4 times a, which is 3, times c, which is negative 2, divided by 2 times a, so it's 2 times 3. X is equal to minus negative 5 will be plus 5, plus or minus square root of 5 squared is 25. A negative times a negative is a positive. And then 4 times 3, 12 times 2, 24. The whole thing is divided by 2 times 3, which is 6. So x is equal to 5 plus or minus square root of 49 over 6, which is 5 plus or minus 7 over 6. Therefore, x is equal to, first solution, 5 plus 7 over 6. The second solution will be 5 minus 7 over 6. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 over 6 is 2. 5 minus 7 is negative 2. And negative 2 over 6 is negative 1/3. So the solution set is negative 1/3 and 2. Solve 6x squared minus x minus 2 equal to 0 using the quadratic formula. A is equal to 6, B is equal to negative 1, C is equal to negative 2. Now x is equal to minus negative 1 plus or minus square root of b squared negative 1 squared minus 4 times 6a times negative 2c divided by 2 times 6. Going to simplify. Minus negative 1 is positive 1 plus or minus. Negative 1 squared is 1. A negative times a negative is a positive. So it's going to be 24 times 2, which is 48. The whole thing is divided by 12. 1 plus or minus square root of 49 divided by 12. And the square root of 49 is 7. So the answer is 1 plus or minus 7 over 12. So the first solution is 1 plus 7 over 12. The second solution is 1 minus 7 over 12. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 over 12, which is divided by 4, 2/3. 1 minus 7 will be negative 6 over 12. Divided by 6, negative 1/2. So the solution set is negative 1/2, 2/3.